Are you still closing Safari tabs one by one on your iPhone? There is a much faster way. Now open Safari, then tap and hold the two overlapping squares in the bottom right corner. A quick actions menu will appear. At the top, you'll see something like close all and the number of the tabs. For example, close all 100 tabs. Just tap it once and boom, every tab closes instantly. But wait, there is an even smarter trick. Instead of tapping and holding the icon, tap it once normally to see all your open tabs. Now, tap and hold on the one tab you actually want to keep open. A menu will appear again. This time, tap Close Other Tabs. And just like that, Safari closes every other tab except the one you selected. This is perfect when you have tons of like tabs open but still want to keep one important page. It helps make Safari cleaner, faster, and way less messy. Like the video if this helped, and follow for more hidden iPhone tricks and smart tips.